And that's how you curl your hair. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video on how I curl my hair. I was really inspired by like the Victoria's Secret fashion show that's been going on. I really want the like bombshell hair that they all have, and they're just so beautiful. So I want to be that beautiful with my hair too, so we're gonna do it. First step, get a heat protectant spray. I'm just using this Redken thermal protecting spray. You can really use whatever. This is just what I have at the moment, so do not douse your hair too much so that it's wet, because then when you actually curl it, it's gonna like sizzle. I have these little clips that like hairdressers use to section off your hair. Yeah. Have something like these handy just because it makes it a little easier. You're gonna look crazy, but you could also use plain bobby pins, or if you have those like 90s butterfly clips, go ahead, but I don't have those. I'm just using a regular wand curling iron. So I don't really section off my hair because that sounds complicated. Just take a section about this size and then shebang. Now it looks kind of dumb right now, but then you're gonna take it and pin it. Oh my god, I forgot an important step. Hold that thought. Okay. I forgot one of the most important steps. Before you curl it, dust it with a little bit of hairspray so that it will stay. Then this is the part where you're gonna look weird. Pin it up. I'm gonna do this one. A little bit of hairspray. And you wanna curl the pieces at the front of your face going away, and then the rest you can alternate. This is probably quite boring, but all right. I'm just repeating the same step. How's your guys' day? How's everything going? I'm not taking like consistent size pieces. I'm kind of going like for bigger pieces, then smaller pieces, then just so it looks like there's some variety, and alternating directions will help. I'm gonna do a time lapse for most of my hair and then I will come back.
And I can't say where I'll be when you come golden right after me. And I can't say.
Hairspraying each piece before you curl it just helps the hair stay curled longer, because if you just curl your whole head and then hairspray it after, the pieces are gonna fall. If when you put the hairspray on and then you put it on your wand, it makes a crackling sound, that means you're putting on too much hairspray. So just one spritz down the hair and then that's it. That's all you need. Now I look like Princess Leia with like a bun on the side of my head, and now I'm gonna do this side. Like soup. That almost fell on my foot, but it's fine. If you're wondering how to clip your hair, honestly, there's no rhyme or reason. Just clip it wherever. The reason why I do this is because A, it gets the curly pieces out of the way so I know I'm not missing any straight ones. B, I find it helps hold the curl a little bit more. All right, I only have this much left. Now that this is done, we are going to take it all off. All right. Now, we're not leaving it like this, do not worry. So now that it's all down, we're gonna take hairspray. Don't be afraid to like whip your hair around because it doesn't have to stay parted. We're hairspraying here, 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 and then you're gonna go upside down. Okay, next you're gonna go like this. Kind of zhuzh it out with your fingers. You're not gonna like pull really hard, you're just gonna shake and let them loosen up. You're gonna go upside down again and like zhuzh it so it has lots of volume. Now this is more of the bombshell look. I really like it. The reason why it's more Victoria Secret-esque is because they tend to have like straighter here and then it gets more voluminous as you go down, and that's kind of what this does. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I will turn around and show you from the back. That is all for this video. That's literally all I did. If you like this video, comment down below and give this video a like. Also, subscribe to my channel if you're new. I post videos every single Tuesday. Also, comment down below if you have any fun video suggestions. I want to make what you guys want to see, and I will, because I can read all of my 2 comments that I get. Okay, bye you guys.